all the sticks are gone. Almost. I can't believe that whole area used to be a campground. And all the trees literally got washed downstream. Oh, they're over there right now. See, that used to be almost a trees built up right there. Yep. So crazy. On dark holler, as you can see, where the flood came through 2024. Changed the whole entire river. Definitely. And up here, literally the freaking road fell in. Yep. So nuts. Tree. At least I got all the freaking trees out. Crazy. And up here is a sinkhole. Basically. There's one. Starting on one. Dang, look at all those cans already. Holy shit. Dang, that dude drinks a lot. Woo! And there's across where that huge tree squad used to be. And we're coming up on the sinkhole, which is going to swallow the road one day. Here it is. Oh, shit. That's crazy. Shabang. And the river.